Hello, so we're now back after a long break of not videoing anything DIY, and we've got something. We've got a extractor fan. Let me just point you in the right direction. One of these extractor fans, so the owner has said that it's smoking. So this time we're going to put in a brand new one rather than try and fix it. Turned out these are about 73 quid from Screwfix. Almost exactly the same. This is probably about 10, 12 years old, I think the owner said. Lost the filters and everything, but we're going to upgrade with this one. Looking at the mounting on this, I've never fitted one of these before, but hopefully if these are the same mountings up there, which we're going to go and grab a ladder and see, then it should be a straightforward fit. I think the awkward part is going to try and marry this up. Hopefully there's a template for that, but we'll see. Box looks empty though, can't see any instructions. Probably on the inside, they usually are. If you're ever looking for like things like wash machines, cookers and all that kind of stuff, instructions are always just chucked on the inside of the filter. There's a bulb, and there's, oh, knocked the kettle on by mistake. So there's a bulb, comes with an LED. This thing's got one motor. Okay, so it looks like it's very basic. Doesn't seem to be any instructions. Oh well, we'll figure it out. Okay, this is slightly different. So we've got this sort of bracket. Now I'm assuming there was a screw in there that locks it off. You unscrew that and I think it just slides out. Let's give it a go. Right, I got a bit carried away. I forgot to film. So this one here had screws in the side that screws into the top there, and then it's just got these two sort of metal brackets on the top. Ignore this mess. I'll get that sorted soon. So I got the front off that. It's a bit bent because they glued it to the old cover. And then, so what I did was I sort of pushed this down, laid it on there, leveled it up, got a pencil marked where the holes are, pre-screwed them just on the bench, so when I put them in like that it was a lot easier, and then just measure it up before you nip them up, and then that's it. So that's that sort of lined up. You can still see a bit of the glue on the thing, so I'll have to clean that up. And yeah, so that's, I just lined that up with the bottom of this so it was all square, so you can see that. So when it's hung on the wall, it's nice and square with the edges, no overhang, so it should be all right. Okay, so it's a little bit darker because I've just knocked the electric off. Right, easy enough now. The disconnect all this. I'm going to offer this up, mark up where the holes are, drill a couple of holes, get it set in, sort all this palaver out, and job's a good one. Right, so I had to get on. So turns out we've had to remove this because that thing sits about 3 mils higher. So instead of cutting all that out, we've just, you know, decided just to remove it. Doesn't look too bad. Obviously the door needs to go back. On there, and that's it all plugged in. Still need to sort a bit of that stuff up on the top there, but I just had to get it plugged in, get it safe. Of course, I had no light, it was getting dark outside. It doesn't look it, but it is actually starting to get a bit dark. Right. Okay, so let's zoom out a bit. Still got a bit of a mess to tidy up there. There it is. You can see it's a bit higher up the top there. It does sit back a bit further than the other one, but functionally, there we go. if you close it up, it should switch itself off. So you can actually put a preset on. That's it. That light's actually better than the last one. The other one was just a bit dull. Got the filter on there. And then closes. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so that was one of the jobs I did today. I did some other problems with heating, regarding heating, and a pat test, which I've already done anyway on video. So that's me for the day. Cheers.